Well, I have an unusual Sunday morning pickup. I didn't go garage sailing yesterday. Weather's been crap, raining, so didn't end up going out. But today I found a sale that started today and went out and got some stuff. Probably some stuff I don't need, but man, it was good stuff when you hear multiple generations, and definitely cool to come and pick through this guy's stuff. I got there late. I was in no rush, and I still found gold. I was digging. I took the time to dig under, in, and around. It was a 3-story garage/barn that had a ton of stuff. Got 2 machinist boxes full. We'll go through them. And I picked out a bucket of stuff. Of course, we'll start with the stuff that I don't need. Some hardware. I really like these for packaging and wrapping up stuff. I think that works really well. Some more hardware. Got a grommet setting set. It's always useful to have. Can never have enough 4/0 steel wool. I got 2 pieces of leather. It's a little thin for sheaths, but I thought it was, I like the color of it, and I thought it was good. I got it pretty cheap, so. And the guy said, well, the chemicals, they're all free if you want them. Some shop towels. Got some Snap-on air motor oil. Got some all-purpose spray adhesive. Oops. Got some WD-40. I need this, right? And this stuff. This stuff's really good. If you guys haven't heard of Novus, you should definitely check it out. It's plastic polish, but it works really well for other things too. Wood handles. If they have paint on, say, a steel shafted hammer. I don't know if I have one up here. Here we go. So this was a hammer that I redid, and this had speckled paint all over it, and I used a little bit of steel wool in that Novus, and it took it right off. Did a really nice job. It's just a compound to buff with. You just need a little texture in it. This is a box I got from my buddy. This is mainly all Long C Craftsman. This is a Bonnie wrench. Long C Craftsman stuff. I got a buddy and we trade all the time. So, and then this is a Craftsman box. He likes to put together sets. So anytime I see that stuff, I pick it up. These are 2 dollies. Sometimes these will be stamped. These are for, body work. Sometimes they'll be stamped, but those 2 weren't. Not that I could see. I'll probably take them for a dip in the Evaporust before the wire wheel. This really gets me. This is one of my favorites and one of the first projects that I did. Let me see if I can find the stamp again. Yeah, it's here. It's painted. It's an H.D. Smith, I'm pretty sure. It was reground. You can see it's pretty stout. It should have probably had another 1/2 inch on there. But, the size of this thing, that's freaking awesome. That is freaking awesome. Love it, love it, love it. This was the first thing I saw on the table. I picked it up, asked the guy. I said, how much for something like this? He said, $2. I said, all right, let me grab a bucket. That's the pricing I like to see. I don't know where this came from. I think that was just trash. It's a Billings. A few steel wedges. Someone got a little bit happy with some spray paint here. I'm going to guess that it's an older Stanley. Usually they're marked 51 on the back. I don't see anything. So blade looks to be in decent condition. This was a carpenter shop. And yeah, it's pretty awesome. A plumb bob. I need one of these, right? Found some leather punches. Thought these are leather, gasket, things like that. I always love these, but look at this one. So it's a rivet setter. But this one has definitely been beat on, that's for sure. And most people would just pick this up and throw it away, but it's actually a little drill caddy. I think I might have one that's full right up over here. There's a Starrett one. Used to have one somewhere. I don't know where that one got to. This is a Thorsen 1/4-inch set. It's really cool. Does have the breaker bar. I don't know if these are supposed to have ratchets with them, but I just threw the whole thing in the box. That might be for rivets, actually. Or, I'm sorry, grommets. Cool. Anvil. It's busted up a little bit, but anytime I see anvils like this, I freaking love them. I think I got 3 or 4 of them now. I'll buy them even in this poor condition. And like I said, the guy's prices were super fair. I didn't even negotiate when he told me his price at the end. I said, okay, that's fair. We got along pretty well. We had a lot of the same interests. Craftsman breaker bar. The guy was the grandfather was a machinist, and the father was a woodworker. So the guy had a set of great tools. Thought this nail puller was cool. Yankee. Just what I need. Another Red Devil cutter. Love these. Found 3 of them at one sale, which is pretty unique. So Stanley $1.99, Stanley $2.99, and a $12.99. This guy's been sitting in some water. BNC, I think it's Bemis and Call. Not too sure. 12-inch. I don't think I have a 12-inch. These ones are Westcott, but I don't think I have a 12-inch on those. So that's pretty cool. Little chisel. I don't know if this is a 750 or not. Oh, there's the stamp. I thought it said Bluegrass, but I think it says Douglas. I am not exactly sure what this is. I think it's a pipe vise of sorts, but look at all the writing that's in there. And there's some writing here. It's a Vulcan. That's about all I can make out, but it is cool. Threw that in the set. I don't even know how it works. It might be missing a locking mechanism or something there, but super, super cool. Had to have that. Just another random bin of bolts. Anytime I see this, I usually buy it. This is usually a lineman's hammer. So this is to put on the foot pegs on a telephone pole. They're usually Bell Systems. I didn't see a stamp, but I'm sure one will turn up on this. I think they're usually stamped either here or on the other side. Awesome tool. Awesome tool. Handle. Stanley Handyman, nothing too crazy there. I found a stamp on this. I'm not sure what it is. Can't really see it. So that's going to clean up. I think that's called a lathing hatchet or lathe. It's got the waffled face and the skinnier. It's not necessarily a carpenter's. So that's pretty cool. And, you know, anytime I find these quick grips, you can never have enough of them. All you car guys out there, I wish I knew what these things are, but look how freaking cool that is. How many bezels or faces or facets that thing has. I want to say it's like a Plymouth, only because of the shape. It kind of looks Plymouth-y to me. but the guy was into Indian cycles, and who knows? If you know what this is, please, help me out. Also, if you're interested, I'm going to probably sell these on eBay or possibly here if I find a buyer, but I just thought they were so cool. Help pay for the lot. Here's something pretty awesome. Brown & Sharpe in the box. And I don't even know if... Oops. I put this thing on backwards. I know that much. It is pretty much new. In the box. Super cool. Little drill index. Great Lakes. Some cheat sheets. Man, I got lucky. A Starrett book. This one is catalog 26. Love that. Very cool. And these are full. Check out this gold. This looks like a bunch of Craftsman machinist stuff. This is a Starrett. What exactly is this thing called? Pitch gauge, maybe? Not sure exactly what year this book is. It says 43 there. So probably 40s. Copyright 38. Catalog 26. You could look that up. I really don't want to dig into it with dirty hands, so sorry. Starrett 272. This is all mostly Starrett Brown, Craftsman. Starrett. These droppers are pretty cool. This looks different. Reed Small Tool Works, Worcester. It's pretty neat. Starrett. Probably a depth gauge or something. Yep. Depth gauge. Something like that. Looks like it has everything. That's awesome. Starrett. It's got the nice logo too. These are always missing that little pin though. I'll probably refelt these boxes. I don't know if I'll sell these or not. I just realized I'm missing the knob there. And yeah, maybe I'll stack them up a little bit higher here. This is where I usually like to keep some of my better collections. Clean these up, refelt them. How cool is this? Short little stubby hammer. Probably shop made, but very, very cool. It's definitely a Starrett or Brown. Not sure which one. I think they call this a protractor. This one's definitely Starrett. There's the stamp. Some calipers, dividers, whatever you want to call these things. If you need any of these, just let me know, because This one's special. I forget what this one's called. It's different lengths. But definitely let me know if you need any of those, because I got a few. Got a few of them. And I got a few more. I like these smaller ones, LSS. Another Starrett. I forget what they call these things. It's like a surface gauge or something like that. This is a Starrett as well. Wow. I know there's a lot of machinists out there, so hopefully I can get these into the right hands. I buy, sell, trade, barter, whatever you got. Some of this stuff. So if you see something you're interested in, let me know. Made in Germany. Cool. And in the next box, oh, there we go. Some money. Wheat cent. It's like some electronic type stuff. Drill index. Some bits there. Some more junk drawer. Well, I like that black. I don't know that I've ever really seen that. Is it actually black? Maybe I'll have to get some black felt for this one. Some drums. Drum sanding. These are pretty cool. Brand new ball bearings. Collet set. More ball bearings. There we go. Oh, check that out. That's pretty darn cool. Little saw. I don't see any markings on it though. I'll have to see what that turns out to be. Bunch of Dremel pieces. The drum for the drum sander. Another drum for the drum sander. So, yeah. All in all, it was a great day of picking. I loved it. If you see something you like, let me know. And if you see something that you know what it is, please comment. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.